Right now, we're seeing a notable dip in cybersecurity sentiment at -0.35, coupled with a momentum score of -0.44. This isn't just a typical fluctuation. The negative sentiment is significantly lower than our historical baseline, indicating a potential crisis in confidence across the sector. With 16 semantic clusters identified, you have a rich dataset to analyze specific triggers causing this shift. Our API returns comprehensive insights, including sentiment scores and trend momentum, to help you understand the evolving landscape of cybersecurity sentiment. A practical use case. You could integrate this data into your threat detection systems to prioritize alerts based on real-time sentiment shifts, ensuring you're always a step ahead of potential vulnerabilities. For more details, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.